So here's a quick video of how to load the regula King camera. With film. I'm going to take it out today. Oh, the old film that was in it was no good. Which is too bad. Just open the back. I'm going to use the 1.kodachrome 64 DX 35mm film, 36 exposures. I think this expired a while back. Doesn't say. I don't know why it doesn't say. That's weird. But I don't know if you can hear the cars out today. It's been raining all day and it finally let up a bit. So I'm going to go outside. So here, load her up and shoot with this today. Should be fun. Nice low light. All you got to do is line it up. Get it in there as best you can. Give her a little wind as you grab. Close the door. And keep winding for a bit. There. That's loading the regula King camera I got in Value Village. And I'm going to go out on a rainy day and shoot. And I'm going to use this Olympus camera here as my exposure meter on the camera. So I'm going to use the f-stop, whatever it says, for the length of the lens, which is, I can't even see here, it's a 50. So I'm going to set my exposure and everything with the Olympus here. So check it out. I'm going to go outside right now.